Welcome. If you're looking to remove an admin from a group on the Instagram app while using your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest Instagram update, the process is easier than ever. But there are a few new steps you'll want to know. Let's walk through them together so you can manage your group just the way you want. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. You can do this by heading to Instagram's website and logging in, or by using the Instagram app if you have it installed on your computer. Once you're in, look to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several icons. Find the Messages icon. It looks like a little speech bubble or paper airplane, and give it a click. Now, you'll see all your direct messages and group chats. Find the group where you want to remove an admin. Click on the group chat to open it. At the top right corner of the group chat window, you'll see an info icon, usually a small circle with an eye inside. Click on this icon to open the group details. In the group info panel, you'll see a list of all the members, including the admins. Scroll through the list until you find the admin you want to remove. Next to their name, you'll notice 3 vertical dots. Click on these dots to open a small menu. From the menu, select Remove from Group. Instagram will ask you to confirm this action, just to make sure you don't remove someone by accident. Click Confirm, and that admin will be removed from the group. And that's it. You've successfully removed an admin from your Instagram group using your PC. This update makes it simple to manage your group members and keep your conversations running smoothly. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tips for mastering Instagram's latest features. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.